Hi, my dear students. We are going to listen NCRT Classics English, Unit 1, Fables and Folktales, textual exercises from page number 6 to 12. Question answers. Now, let's start. This is the continuation of the chapter. Okay. Read the following lines and answer the questions that follow. He spent all his time to learn about the magic potion. People cheated him often, promising to tell him about it. But he did not give up. His wife Madhumati was tired of this and also worried because she saw how much money Ramnatha was spending. He was sure that soon they would be without money. So, what you have to do is complete the sentences with a suitable reason. First question. Ramnatha did not give up because he wanted to get the magic potion at any cost. Now, read the column which shows what happened and write the correct outcome in the next column. So, what happened? And this is the outcome column. People promised to tell Ramnatha about the magic potion. What is the outcome? People cheated him, often after collecting his money, but he never gave up. Ramnatha was spending a lot of money. Then, what is the outcome of spending a lot of money? Madhumati, his wife, was sure that soon they would be without money. So, anyway, he is not going to get anything. After some time, they will be poor people. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Madhumati was troubled about what her husband did. Yes, that is true. Ramnatha was very happy digging his fields. Yes, that is not a true statement, false. The sage wanted to show the right path to Ramnatha. Yes, true. Now the next set. Carefully, he took the bottle to the sage. The sage smiled and muttered something over the water. Then he returned the bottle and said, "Try it out." Ramnatha sprinkled a few drops on the copper vessel and waited for it to turn to gold. To his surprise, nothing happened. Choose the portion option that lists the events given below in the correct order. So, which incident happened first in this A, B, C, D, E? So, after reading, you'll understand that Ramnatha gave the bottle to the sage first. Then the sage smiled after getting the bottle. Then he said something in a low voice over the water. Then the Ramnatha dropped a few drops of water on the copper vessel. Then Ramnatha waited to see if the magic worked. So, what is the order? B, A, D, C, E. B first, then A, then D, then C, and last E. Next question. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the lines given above. Seeing that the plant has dried up, the gardener sprinkled some water on it. So, what is the meaning of sprinkled? Vidaruga, spread it, spreading it. Okay. How much Ramnatha have felt when nothing happened to the copper vessel? What happened? What feeling he has? Ramnatha might have when the copper vessel didn't turn into gold. Ramnatha might felt angry and at the same time disappointed. Maybe a little bit angry to Sage and disappointed also. Now the next question. Answer the following question. What did the sage ask Ramnatha to do to make the magic potion? What did the sage ask Ramnatha to do to make the magic potion? Here is the answer. The sage asked Ramanatha to plant a banana plant and water it regularly with his hands. He told to collect the winter morning dew on the leaves and store it in a bottle till it reaches 5 liters. He also said he would chant some magic words to change it into the magic potion, and a drop of potion would change any object into gold. Now, the second question. Why did the sage ask Ramanatha to do everything himself? The sage wanted, here it is wanted, did plus ask. It is in the question is in the past tense. The sage wanted Ramanatha to learn the value of hard work and self-effort. He also wants Ramanatha to develop a sense of responsibility and ownership by taking care of the plantation himself. Now, how could Ramanatha have a big banana plantation after 6 years? Ramnatha planted rows and rows of banana plants and tended them carefully during the winter months to collect the dew. Over the years, Ramnatha planted more and more plants, and they had a huge banana plantation. At the end of 6 years, he had a big banana plantation. Now, question number D. How did the sage make Ramnatha believe that there is no magic potion? The sage told Ramanatha that there is no magic potion that can turn things into gold exist in this world. His hard work on the land has created a plantation, and his wife sold the fruits from the plantation in the market, and they earned the money, gold, everything. The sage also told that his hard work that created his wealth, not magic. Fill in the before and after table about Ramanatha. What he did before meeting the sage. What he did after meeting the sage. Before meeting the sage, he was not interested in his land received from his father. He started spending money to get the magic potion. Now, after meeting the sage, what Namanada did, he started planting banana trees. He collected dew from the banana leaves, and his wife sold the fruits in the market. Now, let us learn. Read the following words from the story: promised, spending, cheated, luck, remember, huge, difficult, and market. Use the words correctly to complete the paragraph given below. There are no extra words in the box that you do not need. There was a farmer who had a huge coconut plantation. He worked hard and did not depend on luck. Huge is our luck. Every day was difficult, but he did not give up. One day, a man bought a bag of coconut from him and promised to pay him money the next day. Days passed, and the man did not pay him anything. The farmer felt cheated. About 2 months later, he met the same man and asked him about his money. The man said, "Oh, I had forgotten. Now I remember buying coconuts from you." And he paid the money. So, this is let us learn. Now look at this column A, B. Read the words from the story in column A, then read the new words in the column B. Complete the meanings of the words given in column B. Meanings of some words are given. I and I. Pronouncing same, spelling and meaning is different. What is the meaning of EYEI? It's an organ, help us to see things. Your and your. Your. Pronouncing same, but meaning and spelling is different. Here the meaning is short form of you are. Then do and due. This due we already learned in the lesson. This due means happening at some time in the future. SON sun, SUN sun. Both are pronouncing same, but spelling and meaning is different. SUN sun is a star that gives light to us. One and one. One the match. Past tense of win. Now eight. Eight. Eight means eating something. Past word of eat. EIGHT. Eight means a number. Now see. You see with your eyes. Right. This sea means the biggest water body, the ocean. Now, the word given in each row of the table above have the same sound. Yeah, same sound but different spelling and meaning. Such words are called, yes, you already know, homophones. Okay. Now, choose four pairs of homophones from the table above, and for each pair, write a sentence that uses both homophones in the same sentence. Now, see, I can see I can see the stars with my eye. Here, this eye and this eye are homophones. Let's go to see the sea. Here, looking, this is the sea, water body. I'm the only one student won the GK quiz. This is one, this is one the quiz. The father took the sun out to show the sun. Sun and sun. Now, here one example is given. I ate 8 bananas for breakfast today. You can write more sentences. Now, the next one, match the phrases in the column A with the column B. Use the connecting words given in the middle column to make meaningful sentences. These are the connecting words. Which are the connecting words given here? Because, before, as soon as, and as. Let us see how to connect it. The children submitted their work. When? You have to say the time. Before the deadline. Okay. How did he did not want to try rocking climbing? Why? The reason you have to say, right? What is the reason? Because of his fear of heights. Right. Now, the children ran towards the gate. When? As soon as the bell rang. Nitin was late to school today. What is the reason? As there was a traffic jam. So, before and as soon as is used to show the time when, and because and as is used to show the reason. Clear? Now you can write more sentences in your notebook using because, before, as soon as, and as. Now look at the next exercise. Here are two sentences which with letter B. Read them slowly at the first time. As you read them a few more times, read them faster each time. This is a tongue twister, right? Bandi Bhaiya bought a big bunch of bananas. Bandi Bhaiya bought a big bunch of bananas. Bandi Bhaiya bought a big bunch of bananas. Likewise, you try to read it maximum speed. A big bunch of bananas was bought by Bandi Bhaiya. A big bunch of bananas was bought by Bandi Bhaiya. Now try to create a tongue twister on your own and share it with your peers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Betty bought some butter, but said the butter's bitter. She sells seashells by the seashore. Likewise, you create many tongue twisters. Now let us listen. There is a paragraph in page number 36, a bottle of dew. You have to rearrange the incidents. Madhumati is a very happy as she has many big bags of bananas. So read it and you have to write the incidents in the correct order. So the first incident that happened in the paragraph is visits her mother and gives her 2 dozen bananas. Second incident is goes to the market to sell the bananas. Third one meets her friend Kalavati in the market. Fourth one gives 12 bananas to her friend, then choose to go home as only some bananas were left. Give 2 bananas to a boy who is hungry. Then the last one visits a neighbor and gives them a bunch of bananas. Now let's speak. It is the sound s, sage, promising, wisdom, trees, surprise, s sound. Okay. But S sound is different in different places. Sage, s, sage, promising, s, wisdom, z, wisdom, z sound, trees, z sound, surprise, first is s, other one z, s, z. So in a sentence, S has different sound, two sounds. The first one is s sound, other sound is z sound. Okay, can you read this in words? Beds, sand, cloths, sea, was, keys, bags, nose. Now look at the next exercise. Discuss the following questions with a partner. You may use the hints given in the bracket while speaking. What does hard work mean to you? It means that, or it is something that, or well, you see that. What I mean is a value or working hard or willingness to do anything wholeheartedly. That is hard work, right? Now, give three reasons why you think hard work is important. First, I feel hard work is important because it helps us to be a good and successful person. Now, you can use this sentence using because. Secondly, I think since I began working hard, I became independent and proud. Lastly, I believe as we work together or harder, we will reach greater success. Now, see, share three ideas you would give to someone who needs to work hard. What all ideas you can give, you have to use. It is important that you could, finally, I think you should. It is important to work hard to achieve your goals. You could achieve great things if you work hard. I think hard work and determination are the key to success. You have to use these phrases to make sentences and you can make more sentences. Now let us write. Work in pairs to complete the description of a banana. You may take the help of the words given in the bracket. Share your answers with your classmates and teacher. So look at the banana. When I like to eat a banana, taste. You can write about the color of the outer covering and fruit, how the outer covering feels on touch. You can write about health. Then here I have written 8 sentences about bananas. Bananas are a type of sweet fruit that grow on trees. They are typically yellow in color and curved in shape. It has a fresh smell and it is a source of potassium and vitamins. The outer covering of banana is very soft and the fruit is also sweet and soft. I like to eat bananas for my breakfast because they are easy to eat on the go. They can also be used in smoothies, baked goods, and desserts. Bananas are a good source of energy and are often eaten by athletes. They are widely available in most supermarkets and grocery stores. Now you can use the information given in the picture to write 8 sentences, and I have written these 8 sentences, and you can write more sentences. Okay. Now, on the basis of the story, a bottle of dew develop a script with the dialogue and enact it with expressions that you can do it in the class. Now, something to explore. What is something to explore here? Find out varieties of bananas which are grown, cultivated, and eaten in different parts of India. You can find more information about them in the website. You can look at the website and you will see a lots of different types of banana that are available in the market. And here is something special to us. There is a special kind of banana called blue Java banana. This banana has got its name from its blue skin. It's also known as ice cream banana as it is so creamy and tastes like ice cream. It is growth in Southeast Asia and Hawaii. These banana plants grow to a height of 15 to 20 feet. You can see varieties of bananas and you have to explore different types of bananas. So this is the end of the first lessons textile exercise. If you like this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. All the lessons will be posting over here. You have to watch the videos. Thank you, my dear students. We'll see you in the next video.